have here today is this beautiful 740 IL M62 motor, E38 generation. What are we doing? Well, we're changing the transmission fluid. Yes, I know what you're saying. This has 250,000 miles. So I guess we'll just have to find out if the old owner changed the transmission fluid. It could either go really good or really bad. We'll see.
Well, what about that lifetime fluid?
Lifetime fluid.
We don't have to change it.
I may have said that in a prior video. With lifetime fluid, you do not need to change the fluid in this transmission. But you should change your transmission fluid. Some unfortunate things happened to the 525i, but some good things have also happened. I don't know if it's good in the fact of me going bankrupt trying to fix it, but you'll have to find out in another video.
Oh, that's not bad.
Not bad.
It had fluid in it.
Yeah. That's the worst I've seen.
ZF, so it's naturally brown.
Yeah.
A little dark, but
A tad bit.
not 250,000 miles dark.
What's going on?
Where are we going now?
AutoZone.
What do we need there?
16mm torque bit.
Hex.
Hex, yes.
And T27 Torx.
Gotta get what you need for this. Never mind. Don't worry about it. Just got out of AutoZone. Definitely not a sponsor. Got what we needed. This beautiful Duralast 8mm hex bit socket for the low price of $6. Also got this T27 for the 740. So hopefully the rest of this goes smoothly. Yeah.
I need some cardboard ASAP.
Oh, where's it at?
Somewhere.
What are we doing over here, Kevin? What do we got going on down here?
Changing the differential fluid.
Set we're at South Main Auto Group right now. Focus. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Do not spill on my car.
I will. Lift it over the car. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, shit.
Idiot.
Oh, God. Oh, that was recording, too. Oh!
Alright, here you go, folks. Here's how you do it.
How do we do it?
Come over here with your 14mm ratchet.
14mm.
Hex.
Hex.
Number one rule. The old family trick. No one knows about this.
Oh, yeah? We're only going to let our KJM viewers know about
You
this.
take the fill plug out first. This way, if the drain plug is, if it's seized up, you know, so you stop. This way you're always able to get fluid back in. Because if this is seized up, you won't be able to get fluid back in. Simple as that.
Yo, that's
There you go.
that's smart.
And there you go. Probably the best channel.
What do we got to say about Bobby Schmurda?
I'm glad he's back.
Yeah.
Take that out. That's your drain
Oh,
plug.
it's a drain plug right there. That's
Oh.
I'm pretty sure you could like drink it, right?
Yeah, sure.
I have to try that one day. Look at that.
Well, anyway, you just let that drain out. Simple as that.
Yeah.
We'll come back when we're ready to continue.
Fully drained.
Here's what you do.
I almost drained out, folks.
We don't got time to wait all day because we're busy over here. So we're just gonna
plug it back up.
plug it back up. Torque it to spec.
Oh, you guys want no muffler on here? Heard a comment about a muffler on here. Boyson. Where's it at? Boyson, right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera. Boyson. Made in Germany. Go give that number a call on there. 174295. Okay, that's not a phone number. Never mind. But anyway, I know you guys have probably been missing a Triton. I mean, I don't freaking blame you. So how about we go take a look at the Triton? You guys can, I'll give you guys a little review on what I've done. I'll cut back when I'm at the Triton. Oh. They missed the Triton, man.
Are you stealing my viewers?
No. Well, come on. So as soon as you're done with this, I'll go show.
Now we're only using the finest fluid chips. Liquid Molly.
We're not sponsored, but Liquid Molly, if you're watching this video,
I got
sponsor
this.
us. FCP Euro. I mean, sponsor us. We will give an honest review. We are giving an honest review on your product, and we love it. Good shipping, all your European needs. Even though I'm not really a European car guy at all. You know, you guys know. There's no big Ford guy, you know. I'm just gonna go show the Triton real quick. I know you guys have been wanting to see the Triton for a decent while now, so we'll show it right now. I know, it's looking a little different. As you can see, I put V8 badging on the side, because I mean, hell, it is a V8. I don't even care if I show my license plate. It's zip tied now. I removed my bottom splitter, and I zip tied a recovery strap when I'm towing Chevys out of a ditch. I got this Bass sticker on there. I spray painted my spare tire. Pretty much looks the same. And oh, I put a skull over here too. On the bottom there. All right, so I know you guys have been wanting to see the Triton for a while, so there it is. Now we were pulling in our top secret vehicle into the garage for the same stuff as the 7 Series needed. Same thing, you know what I'm saying? Like, Erico would be proud of this vehicle. And we're doing a transmission fluid change on it, and as well as a flush. So we'll catch you guys later when that top secret vehicle is pulled into this garage. I'll see you guys later.
What?
What happened?
What do you mean what happened?
Tell the viewers.
Tell the viewers what happened.
Trying to do things right? You know, the 5 Series, the transmission went. So, should I tell them what I'm in?
Yeah, I already told them.
I'm in a 330i with
E90.
330 E90 with 296,505 miles, right? And I'm trying to do the right thing. So I got the transmission for it, right? Got the bolts, got everything that's going to do it. A bolt strip. And they reuse the old aluminum bolts. So no matter what I do, I can't get this bolt off unless we have a blowtorch.
Unless
It
you
looks
just take
like-
it to a mechanic.
Yeah,
And just
looks like I can't change the fluid right now, so who knows what's going to happen with this? It might be another 5 Series.
I'm gonna do a quick walk around.
Come on, see this thing bounce off the rev limiter.
Pretty clean.
A little dirty. A little dirty, but it's honestly, it's a clean car.
Cover up the plate, lady.
It's a clean car. Would it be a shame to blow it up?
I mean, it gets the job done.
I know you can't show hands to yourself.
It's mint.
Oh my god! What in the hell is with those lights?
It's a little bit of a light show right now. Just the essential lights.
It's not bad.
Not bad at all. It goes in reverse.
Reverse?
For now.
Show them reverse, show them reverse, show
For
them
now,
reverse.
until it goes out.